What's up, YouTube? What's up, sneaker world? It is your guy again, JUDL12, aka Bubba, guys, and I'm back with another quick review. Alright, guys, and as always, guys, do not forget to hit the thumbs up button and also smash that notification bell for upcoming vids. And also, guys, thank you for all the love and support. And also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. Let's continue to grow the channel. And I appreciate all the love and support. And also, happy Easter to everyone. And without any further ado, guys, let's get into the shoes. Now, I went back. Also, I told you guys on my other videos, other videos that I've put up, that I'll be going into the archives a little bit. These not really archives, about a couple of years ago, but I'm gonna go back and pull out a lot of my collection, a lot of heat out of the collection. I want you guys to, even if you have a certain shoe that, you know, if I have it, I'll go pull it out, do a review on, man. Just give me some ideas. Put that in the comment box below, guys. Make sure you do that. And I just appreciate all the comments, everything, because I'm going to get back with you. I like to interact with my subscribers, and I will interact with everybody. So just continue to put your opinions. Make sure you like those videos for me, guys. They go a long way for me and the channel. I'm trying to build a channel. I know it's a lot of other YouTubers out here, man. Those guys they do a very, very good job out there. And I'll look at a lot of the stuff they do to help me to build my format. And a lot of the ideas I've had, man, this stuff I've been doing for years. I just hadn't put it on the YouTube channel. So that's what I'm going to do right now for you guys. So I'm going to continue to do that, and I appreciate everything. So, as you guys can see here, we have the Jordan 6 Pinnacle Metallic Gold. Guys, these dropped October the 22nd of 2016 at a retail price of $250. Now, getting it now, when, you know, I hear a lot of YouTubers, I heard a lot of people when these shoes were servicing, because many people didn't get this shoe. Let me tell you that right now, this wasn't a large GR release. It was limited. And, you know, I don't know if that's a lot of people just mad they didn't get the shoe, or they just didn't like the shoe. A lot of people got on there and said, man, I don't know what I would wear with this shoe. Well, I know a lot of stuff I can wear with this shoe. To get an all gold 6, this was like ridiculous. Like, this was just mad dope. I'm glad Jordan Brand Nike, they did come out with this. The inspiration was the Spike Lee P that it's similar to this, but Spike Lee's was a lot better. It's a few details that was different in the shoe. So what they did, they just took it from there, and to bring us well, it's not a large GR, but just the release to the public, general release. But it was a limited GR, but they came out with this one. So this shoe here is just mad dope. Let you guys look at it. 360 of it. Bottom, we wear our shoes. Make sure you wear your shoes, guys. And got your gold lace lock there, gold lace tips. There's your insole there. There's your Jumpman there on the back. Here's your hang tag that comes with it. This thing is heavy as hell. And I always take it off because it always falls off. Got your Jordan dust bag came with it. Here's your box here. I can get that off. This box is always hard to get off. Quote from MJ: limits like fears are often just an illusion. This is dope. And you have your Wings logo card on the inside of that. Pull that out. There you have it. Air Jordan 6. And yeah, guys, this very, very dope release. I just want to bring this out of the archives, or not really, but just to let you guys see. It's been JUDL12, aka Bubba, guys. This is the Bubba Files.